Ladies and gentlemen, to comply with the safety regulations, we should stay to be in the cabin lights for takeoff. You wish to...
Please continue to observe the fasten seatbelt sign until the captain has switched it off for you.
Mare però là.
Un babà?
No, non babà, c'è questa pasticceria.
We've been trading secrets, yeah. We've been tracing regrets, yeah. Tell me that you need this, yeah. I really think I need this, yeah, yeah. Separation's only temporary. I know we fight and it gets kinda scary. Our commitment, it could never scare me. You've got some weight that you should let me carry, yeah. Remember when we were so close, right beside me, then you walked away. Baby, you were a stone's throw. Just tell me what you want me to say, but now you're just stone cold. I thought forever's what you wanted to be, and this is the moment when you come running, running back to me. You're running back to me, running back to me now. Now you're running back, running back. Now you're running back, running back to me now. Now you're running back, running back. Now you're running back, running back. We've been thinking way back, yeah. Maybe we should change that, yeah. Or maybe we should say that, yeah. I really need to say that, yeah, yeah. Separation's only temporary. I know we fight and it gets kinda scary. Our commitment, it could never scare me. You've got some weight that you should let me carry, yeah.